It's a beautiful day. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing my wig. I'm showing you guys. There's a wig that I'm gonna be installing, and I'm also gonna be doing my latches. So first of all, I'm gonna start by doing my latches. For that, I'm gonna use this to lay my wig. This here is just like a daily stuff that you can use if you don't want to keep your wig in there too long. And also I'm going to be using this edge control right here. It was like $2.49, and I like this because it's pretty clear and it don't stick on the hair. My earrings on. Also got this from the hair store. Latches I got from Shein. They come in this pack right here. And it was like maybe $3 or $4, no more than $5. You just want to have to be careful for this stuff coming up. Okay, there's the next one. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Yeah, I'm gonna be using these two right here. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Come through, I think I need you. I swear. We'll go with this top one right here. So this is my glue. With glue, I don't want too much, so I would just tip a little bit on here. But yo, I don't keep my latches in it that long. Maybe a day max, or a day or two. It started irritating my eyes, so I don't keep it in there that long. So I don't use a lot of glue, just very thin layer. I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna do the next one. So I found it easy when I start from somewhere here up here, or you can also do it from here down, but to me it's a little bit easier from this way up. Then I can readjust it if I need to. Oh.
Yo, this out here is super easy. It go in there so fast, but this is the one I always have a hard time putting in. So as you can see, I have both in there now. I'm gonna go here and start the wig process. So I braided the hair yesterday. If you haven't watched the video, I did a hair wash and I braided the hair. So if you haven't watched it, go and check it out. So guys, so this is the wig that I'm gonna be using. I'm not gonna be using a hair cap, but because I'll be taking it out later. So if you if you want to use a hair cap, you can definitely use a hair cap for your wig, but I'm not going to be using it today. So this is the number 1. This is how it comes in the packs. So yeah, this is the inside. It comes with 2 clips right in the bottom right here. They also come, actually, it comes with 3 clips. 2 up here and 1 down here. So and if you need to adjust your wig, it comes with this raw stuff right here too. So usually when I buy a wig, I don't really spend that much because I'm always on a budget anyway. But this is one of my most expensive wigs so far. It was like $169.99. Because I wanted to braid my hair like this, so I want to use the wig and see how it looks before I actually do the braids. Because the braids cost a lot. So if I use the wig and it look nice, then I'm gonna know if I should go ahead and pay that much. Let me try it on. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is how the hair looks so far. This is the back of the hair. Since I have it adjusted, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace out. Then I'll be back with you guys. So here. To be honest with y'all, this is my, I think, 2nd time doing the legs. So I want to start practicing more on my video, on my channel, to do the legs wig instead of just doing all natural all the time. So I'm gonna try to, even though I'm on a budget, to get some legs wig. It don't have to be too expensive, but you know, just nice and decent. As you can see, I didn't put too much glue though, but it's already holding. My daughter says she want to do my edges, so I'm gonna have her come and do it. Okay. So I'll just put a little bit. That's okay, honey. I don't want to put too much glue. You gotta turn this way a little bit. You think I should cut it down a little bit? Oh, that's good. You got that from your clothes. Ooh, don't press too hard. Ooh.
Yeah, that's how she be doing my edges.
Don't press too hard, Linda. Yeah.
Let me get you right.
This is the first day you took real that's all I'm telling them. This is my most expensive wig so far. So I didn't want to mess it up. Ooh.
no.
Ooh.
No.
Man.
I need some edge control so I can do my eyes.
You're doing a great job, honey. Yo, there's another petition in the house.
Yeah, I know how to do hair, y'all. Okay, other side.
Okay. Should we do this one or two? Maybe put this a little bit closer. No.
Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna use a little bit of this foundation right here, so it can look normal.
Put it on. Okay, you put it on the brush.
Yeah. See,
Natural.
natural. That's how you say it.
Should I tie now? This. Don't put too much.
Do I look good today?
Yes, you all look pretty, honey.
Make it stop. Y'all, it is 9:24.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but
Can you see my purse somewhere?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's good. What is this scarf? What are you looking for? This scarf? Okay.
I did you right.
Put it on top.
That
Can you bring
you can't drive 15 hours. They're driving 20 hours.
Put on the more. Put more. Put on harder. She did a great job. So what I did, I put very little glue in the bottom, very little glue spray, glueless spray. But she overall, I think I did a awesome job cutting my lace. She had put a little bit of this foundation in the middle, so it looked more natural. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.